Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Today, we're delving into an essential topic: maximizing fuel efficiency. In this guide, we'll unravel the secrets behind understanding and improving gas mileage. Join us as we explore practical tips and insights to help you get the most out of every gallon of fuel and make your driving experience more economical and eco-friendly. Maximizing fuel efficiency. Understanding and improving gas mileage. Are you wondering why your car seems to be guzzling gas faster than it should? Understanding the factors that contribute to poor gas mileage can help you identify potential issues and improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency. In this video, we'll delve into the common reasons why you might be getting bad gas mileage and explore practical tips to address the problem. Whether it's your driving habits, vehicle maintenance, or other external factors, we'll cover the key aspects that influence your car's fuel economy. By the end of this post, you'll be equipped with valuable insights to optimize your gas mileage and save money at the pump. Understanding your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Understanding your vehicle's fuel efficiency is crucial for optimizing performance and saving money on gas. By monitoring your gas mileage and recognizing the factors that affect it, you can make informed decisions to improve efficiency. Factors affecting gas mileage. Driving habits. Aggressive acceleration and braking can significantly reduce gas mileage. Smooth, steady driving conserves fuel. Vehicle maintenance. Regular maintenance, such as timely oil changes and proper tire inflation, contributes to better gas mileage. Vehicle weight. Carrying excess weight in the vehicle can lead to decreased fuel efficiency. Lighten the load for better mileage. Aerodynamics. The shape and design of the vehicle can impact fuel efficiency. Consider how wind resistance affects your car's performance. Fuel quality. The quality of fuel used can affect mileage. Opt for high-quality fuel from reputable stations. Importance of monitoring gas mileage. Early detection of issues. Monitoring gas mileage can reveal potential issues with the vehicle's performance, allowing for timely maintenance and repairs. Cost saving. Improved fuel efficiency results in cost savings over time, making it beneficial to monitor and optimize gas mileage. Environmental impact. Efficient fuel consumption reduces carbon emissions, contributing to a more sustainable environment. Performance optimization. By monitoring gas mileage, you can adjust driving habits and maintenance routines to optimize the vehicle's performance. Understanding the factors influencing gas mileage and the importance of monitoring it empowers you to make informed choices for enhanced fuel efficiency. Mechanical issues affecting gas mileage. Your car's engine plays a critical role in fuel efficiency. If your engine is not functioning at its best, it can lead to increased fuel consumption. Regular engine tune-ups, including replacing spark plugs and air filters, can significantly improve gas mileage. A well-maintained engine runs more efficiently, burning less fuel to produce the same power, ultimately saving you money on gas. Tire pressure. Proper tire pressure is essential for fuel economy. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, causing your car to work harder and consume more fuel. Regularly check your tire pressure and keep it at the recommended level. This simple maintenance task can help you improve gas mileage and extend the lifespan of your tires. Aerodynamics and drag. Aerodynamic drag can have a considerable impact on your vehicle's fuel efficiency, especially at higher speeds. Remove roof racks or carriers when not in use, as they can disrupt the smooth flow of air over your car. Additionally, keeping windows closed at high speeds reduces drag and can help save fuel. By addressing these factors, you can optimize your vehicle's aerodynamics and minimize fuel consumption. By paying attention to these mechanical issues, you can address key factors influencing your gas mileage and take steps to improve your vehicle's overall fuel efficiency. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Driving habits and gas mileage. Acceleration and braking. When it comes to maximizing your gas mileage, your driving habits play a crucial role. One key factor to consider is your acceleration and braking patterns. Rapid acceleration and abrupt braking can significantly reduce your vehicle's fuel efficiency. By smoothly accelerating and decelerating, you can optimize your gas mileage. When you accelerate quickly, your engine needs to work harder, burning more fuel in the process. Similarly, frequent and aggressive braking leads to fuel wastage as the energy generated from fuel combustion is dissipated as heat through the brakes. Speed and gas mileage. Another critical aspect of driving habits that affects gas mileage is speed. The faster you drive, the more wind resistance your vehicle encounters, which in turn leads to higher fuel consumption. By maintaining a moderate and consistent speed, you can enhance your gas mileage. Driving at a steady pace allows your vehicle to operate more efficiently, resulting in better fuel economy. Consider using cruise control on highways to maintain a constant speed and reduce unnecessary fluctuations that can impact fuel efficiency. Idling and fuel consumption. Furthermore, excessive idling can also contribute to poor gas mileage. When your vehicle is idling, it's essentially burning fuel without covering any distance. Whether waiting in a drive-thru or letting your car warm up in the morning, prolonged idling consumes fuel unnecessarily. Turning off your engine during longer stops can help conserve fuel and improve your overall gas mileage. Reducing idle time and being mindful of your driving speed and patterns are practical steps towards achieving better fuel efficiency. Fuel quality and gas mileage. Effects of ethanol blends. When it comes to fuel quality and its impact on gas mileage, the use of ethanol blends is a crucial factor to consider. Ethanol, commonly blended with gasoline, can lead to reduced fuel efficiency due to its lower energy content compared to pure gasoline. As a result, vehicles running on E85, a blend of 85% ethanol and 15% gasoline, may experience a noticeable decrease in miles per gallon. This is because ethanol-rich blends require more fuel volume to travel the same distance as pure gasoline, contributing to poorer gas mileage. Fuel octane ratings. Another vital aspect of fuel quality affecting gas mileage is the octane rating. Most modern vehicles are designed to run on fuel with a specific octane rating, typically 87, 89, or 91. Utilizing a lower octane fuel than recommended can lead to engine knocking, which negatively impacts fuel efficiency. Conversely, using a higher octane fuel than necessary does not significantly improve gas mileage and may result in unnecessary expenses. It's important to adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines to ensure optimal fuel efficiency and performance. Maintenance and gas mileage. Regular tune UPS. Ensuring your vehicle receives regular tune-ups is essential for optimal gas mileage. During a tune-up, a mechanic will inspect and replace worn-out components such as spark plugs, ensuring efficient combustion within the engine. This can significantly improve fuel efficiency and prevent fuel wastage due to inefficient ignition. Air filters and gas mileage. Regularly changing your air filter is crucial for maintaining good gas mileage. A clogged air filter can restrict airflow to the engine, causing a rich air-fuel mixture and decreasing fuel efficiency. By replacing the air filter at the recommended intervals, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, you can ensure that your engine is receiving the proper air intake for efficient combustion. Fuel injection system maintenance. Maintaining the fuel injection system is vital for maximizing fuel efficiency. Over time, fuel injectors can become clogged or dirty, leading to improper fuel atomization and reduced gas mileage. Periodic fuel system cleaning and maintenance help in keeping the fuel injectors in optimal condition, ensuring precise fuel delivery and efficient combustion, thus improving gas mileage. By staying on top of these maintenance tasks, you can ensure that your vehicle operates at its peak efficiency, ultimately leading to improved gas mileage and cost savings at the pump. In conclusion, bad gas mileage can be attributed to various factors such as aggressive driving, poor maintenance, incorrect tire pressure, and excessive idling. By addressing these issues and adopting good driving habits, you can significantly improve your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Regular maintenance, proper tire inflation, and mindful driving will not only save you money on fuel but also contribute to a healthier environment by reducing harmful emissions. Understanding the causes of poor gas mileage empowers you to take proactive measures to optimize your vehicle's fuel efficiency. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.